धन्यवाद डॉक्टर सुकुमार मित्तल जी। माननीय डॉक्टर के लक्ष्मण जी, डिमांड फॉर डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ नेशनल हॉलीडे ऑन द बर्थ एनिवर्सरीज ऑफ भगवान ऋषभदेव एंड भगवान महावीर।
Thank you, Deputy Chairman sir, for giving this an opportunity to raise the issue on the most sentimental and emotive issue pertaining to not only to the Jain community but the entire peace lovers of this country. जैन धर्म के पहले तीर्थंकर का नाम ऋषभदेव था, भगवान ऋषभदेव था। उन्हें आदिनाथ भी कहा जाता है। भगवान ऋषभदेव अष्टपद पर्वत माने कैलाश पर्वत से मोक्ष की प्राप्त की थी। जैन धर्म के 24 तीर्थंकरों में जैन धर्म आखिरी 24वां तीर्थंकर भगवान महावीर जी का था। तीर्थंकर जो होते हैं, जो संसार और सागर जन्म मरण के चक्र से मोक्ष तक मार्ग का वो दिखाते हैं। तीर्थंकर कर्मों से मुक्त होकर केवल ज्ञान की प्राप्त करते हैं। ऐसे दो महानुभाव भगवान के रूप में जो भगवान ऋषभदेव जी और भगवान महावीर जी, these two exemplary and extraordinary figures not only shaped the ethical and spiritual landscape of not only Jainism but also the broader cultural fabric of our great nation. Bhagwan Rishabhdev, the first Tirthankar, is widely regarded as the founding figure of Jain philosophy. His teachings, based on principles of non-violence, ahimsa or satya, meaning truth. Bhagwan Mahavir Ji, the 24th Tirthankar, further refined and deepened these integral to the path of spiritual enlightenment and peace. His life and teachings have cutting across the religious boundaries, offering universal values that are relevant to all the humanity. The Jain community for centuries has made immense contribution to the growth and progress of India, whether in the field of business, trade, education, philanthropy and social welfare, and their efforts in promoting sustainability, charity and non-violence have played a vital role in shaping a harmonious and prosperous and inclusive society. And their human service, particularly during the Corona period, we have seen how they have been dedicated to the society and the need of the society. So in recognition of these two profound spiritual contributions, Bhagwan Rishabhdev Ji and Bhagwan Mahavir Ji, I urge upon the government to consider their birth anniversaries as a national holiday and declare national holiday and see that the sentiments of not only the Jain community, all the peace loving of this community be protected. Thank you very much, sir.